And want to benchmark against a competitor that's not on your default list? Here's how to add them in Quick Hub. From the Quick Hub dashboard, go to Quick Reviews. Open Metrics, then choose Competitor Benchmarking and select Compare Business. Enter the business name you'd like to compare with. For better accuracy, include the city if the name is common. Then click Add Business. Next, open the Competitor Benchmarking dropdown and select the business you just added. You'll see its processing status, usually marked as in progress while the data is being prepared. And that's it. Your custom competitor has been added. Once processing completes, you'll be able to review side-by-side metrics, compare performance, and spot opportunities to improve.